Good evening, friends. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to S Trading Company. This is my first video in English, and I will be sharing my knowledge and I will be uploading the videos on a daily basis with Bank Nifty and Nifty, and some of the stocks I will be uploading on a daily basis, and I will be sharing you my knowledge about the indicators and the price action trading and the live trading in the coming days. So if this video are like knowledgeable and it's helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and honestly speaking, I would uh, love to see the comments that love to see the question that is coming back for me to be answered. And one single request to all the viewers who are watching, who are going to watch this video, please watch this video in full. So this is for an educational purpose and knowledgeable purpose. So when you have time, sit for 10 to 15 minutes, maximum 20 minutes, you watch the whole video so you can know where the market is trying to go up, where the resistance or supporting being held. Okay, so thank you so much, and I'll be updating you the videos on a daily basis. So let's come to the point directly. So today it is 16th of March, and I'm just preparing this video for tomorrow. I'm planning this trade for tomorrow. So the simple thing, what I'm just showing the chart in trading view. Okay, and I have one indicator that is one of my most and beautiful indicator, that is EMA, exponential moving average 200. Okay, so first, let me show you. Let me mark. So what did the market do today? So market went above, came down, then again tried to go up, but it didn't, and again came down, and it ended up. But so there is a logic over here. So first we will mark what was. If you see, if you just zoom out a little bit, and if you see these levels, see these levels are one of the crucial support levels. That is why the market is consolidating over here, because you have a support over here. You can see the supports over here, because after this, after taking support from this level, market almost rallied in Nifty around like 500 points. That is a much in Nifty 50, 500 to 600 points. It was 14,800 to 15,200. So that rallied from there. So that is one crucial level that we have to look out for. And the second thing, the resistance. I am keeping the resistance same as Nifty 50, sorry, EMA 200. Okay, and if you just zoom out, or if you take 1 hour chart, and if you see, there is one more beautiful support zone holding over here, where I can mark you and show that level, that is on 5th of February, or from 5th of February. And there was another support somewhere over there, and I'll show you that. So this is on 2nd of March. You can see this levels on 2nd of March. So that is where exactly the market is holding up. So as far as this is concerned, 14,743 or 14,000, will make it as a round figure. 14,750 is a very crucial monthly levels that we have to look out for. Okay, so first thing, there are three scenarios that can happen in the market. The first thing is gap up. Let's keep the trading simple: gap up, gap down, or flat. So many times, if there is a flat, there is a very good momentum all over the day. So there is very good volatility, and there is a very good. There will be a very good bull run. There will be very good bull run or bear run. The volatility is more if the market opens flat. Correct. So three scenarios for tomorrow. First scenario: if the market opens gap up, the main thing is 15,010. 15,010 is a very crucial level. If the market goes above that, the market breaks 15,010 and sustains these levels, then definitely there is a buy. But if the market opens flat, this is a very crucial level. So you can see these levels: one time, two time, three opened above, four. So four crucial levels at the rate of 14,800. Correct. So in according to Nifty 50, if the market opens above or if 15,010 breaks and sustains, you can go for a buy with a stop loss of somewhere around 50 points, 50 to 60 points. Okay, and you can expect a target of 100 to 120 points, which is 1 is equal to 1 is to 1.5 or 2. And if the market opens flat, so there is a very good possibility these levels are the very best levels, because I'll tell you one more levels why that is important, why 14,800 levels are important. Because if you just check the Fibonacci retracement from here to here, okay, so these levels are exactly at 50. You can see this 50, see 50 levels over here, 14,894. So this is 50th levels, 14,894. So the second reason why I am just stressing out these levels, because that is the level where the markets are holding, and that is where the 50% retracement value is there. So if the market breaks out and that keeps a resistance, one rejections over here at 14,000 or 14,900, you'll get a very good amount, or you'll get at least 100 to 120 points of target again. But it's it's likely to get a support here, because we see another pattern over here. You can see a flag and pole pattern over here, where the market's getting sustained, correct? Okay, so which is nearer? So if I see the supports very near, so if the market breaks this trend line and if this takes a support, so this is first confirmation. You can first confirmation here the market is going to be bull. And if you get this as a second confirmation, if the market is taking a support at 14,880 to 14,900, definitely that's a bull run. And you can wait for 15,010 as your first target, and if that also sustains, you can get minimum of 100. So this is a concept that we are looking for. So two reasons behind 14,880 levels to 14,900 levels is one, flag and pole pattern. The 50% retracement level is at the same level, and most importantly, if you just go to 1 hour chart, and if you see 200 EMA, that is same level, that is same at 14,800. So there are three main reasons the market can get a pullback from there. So that is a very crucial level. And last level is if the market opens gap down, that can happen, but it's very unlikely, because if the market opens somewhere here and there is a very good monthly support here, so the market can definitely pull back very fast, and it can be very good levels for buy also over there. Just keeping, just if the risk takers are there, you can just buy it over here with like 20 to 30 points of a stop loss. Okay, so this is about Nifty 50, and we'll go to Bank Nifty over here. So let me show you Bank Nifty. So first we'll mark the resistance. Where is the resistance? Sorry, so this was the first day market open, came down quickly, again tried going up, again tried going up, again tried going up. You can see this lows, you can see this lower lows, and I lower rise and lower lows, correct? So first thing we all noticed that there is one single thing over here. Everyone noticed over there, so I am just doing it. So exactly the same which we intended, and which is in the Nifty self flag and pole pattern. So let me just put where's the exact support and resistance. You can see these levels are a very crucial levels for the market, somewhere over here. This is a very crucial level. This acts as a resistance for tomorrow. Support, as I told you, this was marked earlier. This is a very good support as well, but we'll see what is the support there. So monthly support is somewhere over here, so that is on 4th of February. Okay, so this acts as a support resistance. One second, this is a monthly support, and if you check like 2 or 3 days of support, you'll get definitely a very good line over here. Let's see this once again. Very sorry. So I'll explain you what are the why I market over here. The once the market came bend over here, he tried going up again, the second attempt of going up, third attempt of going up. So this has like this was the midpoint of that. So that is one resistance. Okay, and the second thing, main thing is this one. You can see these levels once the market was like it did fall 35,500 to 30, which after 600 points of a continuous fall, market tried to go up, then again took a support, again tried to go up. You can see came down, tried going up, came down, tried going up, came down, then after it broke, the market fell. So that is one crucial support for tomorrow, and it was today's low also. So three scenarios, as I told you. The first scenario is simple. The market, if the market opens gap up, it has to sustain 35,200 range. If the market goes up and if this acts as a support, boom. If the market comes below this, if the market opens up, the market opens here, goes up, comes down, again comes down, and now over here, if this is the resisting points and coming down, you can go for a sell over there. Okay, and that is first scenario. As I told you, this is the gap up scenario. 35,200 level sustained, market is going up. 35,000, it's not sustaining, breaks the support, then there's a chance of coming down. But if the market opens flat, I do think the market is going to take a support over there. And let me just check where is 50. Okay, no, I think there are two things that I have to show you over here. Why that level is very crucial. Okay, these levels, if market opens somewhere like flat, these are the main levels that you have to watch for, because there are two supports, and today, only today, it has taken two supports. Okay, so there is a very good chances if it breaks yesterday's low, there is chance of going down. So bank nifty, I feel there will be a volatility, but there will be a limited number of uh, things happening, because as of now, either the market should take a support and go up, or it has to take a resistance and come down. If the market open flats and if that goes below, there is a very good chance that you can get like minimum like 200 to 250 to 300 points, 200 to 300 between that. Okay, and if the market opens in a gap up, 35,200 has to sustain, and if that sustains, there is very good bull run. You can get at least like 35,600 to 35,700 range, which is like 400 to 500 point. Gap down, it's very unlikely, and it's not unlikely. Personal view, it will take a very good support over here and come back again, because this zone has been holding from past 1 month. So there may be a profit booking happening over here, or option chain premiums, whatever it may be, but these levels can hold and come up. So I've given you three levels: gap up 35,200, crucial point; flat 34,750 to 34,800, sustains, you can buy it; breaks it, sell it, with a stop loss of 50 to 100 or maximum 120 points. Okay, so friends, as I told you, I'll be explaining every day about this concept of Bank Nifty and Nifty in this channel. My channel's name is S Trading Company. So I would like, and I would love, and I would request you to like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. And I would honestly do videos that would be knowledgeable to you in the coming days. So I would be happy to tell everyone that happy trading, and everyone be profitable tomorrow. All the best. Thank you so much.